What's up everybody, Kitan right here. So, Huawei's Harmony operating system is the joy of every Huawei user's eye, and they all wanted to get their hands on it right away. However, it is only available in the Chinese market for the time being and no global release date has been declared. It is a frequent issue of discussion among Huawei smartphone owners in the international markets. Well, basically, Huawei Harmony operating system is a multi-kernel based operating system created exclusively for Huawei smartphones. However, the major goal is to reduce dependence on Android environment. It is also open source and freely available to all third-party phone manufacturers via Open ATOM Foundation. Anyway, I frequently get this question: when Harmony operating system will be released in the global market? Well, more recently, Huawei itself responded to this question, and sadly, Huawei said that currently there is no plan for smartphones outside of China to upgrade to the Harmony OS. But consumers can enjoy Harmony OS 2 and its groundbreaking user experience on the recently launched Huawei tablets, Huawei Vision, and the smartwatches. Even Huawei said that global users need to wait for the Harmony operating system launch event, and instead of this, consumers can enjoy EMUI 12, which is completely inspired by the Harmony operating system. So I guess you got the answer, right? Well, I suppose right now, Huawei don't have any plans to launch Harmony operating system globally. Even though other companies globally want Harmony operating system, well, if you don't know about that, a Russian smartphone maker has also gone the US restrictions and will have to give up on Google mobile services. Reports suggest that the company wants to test the Harmony operating system on BQ smartphones, or even you can say they are secretly testing and wants Harmony operating system as their main OS instead of Android. Now, you know what? They are also getting some issues to launch Harmony operating system in Russia, obviously because the OS is not available in any country other than China. So the motive of this video is only to let you know that there is still time for the global launch of the Harmony OS. So what do you think about it? Well, I don't know why Huawei is doing this, but do share your thoughts in the comments down below regarding this issue. And as always, I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Peace out.
Bye-bye.